What's going on, y'all? I know y'all see the title and the thumbnail. Well, actually, I don't even know what I'm recording. I just decided that I'm gonna just get out, make a video, you know what I'm saying? POV drive. It's been raining the past couple of days in the Bay Area, so, you know, I've been in that house. But, you know, today is actually a nice day, no clouds out, nice sun, you know what I'm saying? I was like, you know what, let me just go out and make some couple of videos today, so that's what I'm gonna do. Perfect like driving weather too, and I said, you know, I need to get some E for the cars. Let me go ahead and get some E, you know, 85 as I always need. Woo! This thing be going, boy. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Love this tune, bro. This tune has been great to me. Taking too long. This Q50, man, is something else. This tune has been great to me. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. Like, if you second guessing on like getting a tune or whatever, bro, definitely get it, bro. Change your life. I'm not even gonna lie, definitely change your life. I'm definitely gonna do some driving today. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't have plans on doing a driving video, but this is literally like the perfect weather. 50 degrees, you know, no heat soaking, cool weather. It's always good for the car, you know what I'm saying? Always give it a little bit more power. But yeah, man, this tune has been great, bro. Like, I absolutely love driving this car. It's like really hard to get out of, like, and I'm just so happy that I'm going to be doing the same thing to the G35, tuning that car. I know it's going to be a beast. I know it's going to be a beast, you know what I'm saying? And I know it's going to add me a little bit more gains than what I already have right now. I had actually had plans on doing like a whole HR swap to that car. Like, the year was just pretty much going to be me doing like the motor swap to that car and stuff like that. But I was like, you know what? I just got the front end repainted. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not finna do that, you know? I just wanna go the whole E85 route. Dang, this thing is annoying, bro. I wanna go the whole E85 route and, you know, see how much gains I can actually get, you know? Pretty much doing basic bolt-ons and, you know, see how much I can make. Hopefully can make almost 300 with that car, but, you know, we'll see. Ooh, green light. Gotta make sure, you know, boy. On Saturday morning. This exhaust is lovely. This exhaust is really lovely. This actually been on my mind for a couple of days. Matter of fact, I miss my G37. You know, I be going back on like old videos and stuff like that, and I just be looking at it, I'm like, dang, like, I miss that car, bro. And a lot of you guys don't know exactly what happened to that car. I haven't shared like the real story or whatever, but that car's been gone since like June of 2023. And one thing that I regret doing, like, honestly, what I regret doing is like not tuning that car. Because it's just been so much funner. Like, now, like, since I have like a tuned car, and you know, it's just like night and day. It's the reason why I want to tune the G35 for real, because it's like, it's just night and day. But like, you know, I ain't gonna lie, like, I really do miss that car. A lot of you guys found me from, you know, the G37 or whatever, so that car definitely has some special place in my heart. I feel like the channel is not really the same because the G37 was gone. Maybe if I explain you guys what really happened, maybe, you know, do better, maybe not, I don't know. But I really do miss that car. I actually said it in my polls, like, do y'all want me to get another G37 to build, or you guys want me to build the Q50? And y'all was like, nah, continue with the Q50. I posted that on Instagram and YouTube. Q50 blew it out with a landslide, so I'm like, shoot, cool, you know, I could save some money or whatever. It's the new Q. Who was that? Come on, bro, don't come on inside and do all that, bro. We about it today. But yeah, the Q50 blew that out by a landslide, and I was actually surprised because I think I have more G37 supporters, because that's how you guys found me. Like, for real, was, you know, the G37. My biggest videos are the G37, you know. And hopefully, you know, we could make that with the Q or even the G35. But yeah, you know, that car definitely holds a special place in my heart, because that's what built the channel. That's really like the foundation of Car Adventures with Red. And it sucks, you know, it does suck that you know, it had to go how the way it went. The car didn't get repoed, by the way, you know, it definitely did not get repoed. So y'all don't have to put that in the comments. But yeah, maybe one day when I feel like it's appropriate to talk about it, because I know how many people online can be. You know, the car was gone. The car left like in June 2023. So it's like, I'm pretty much over the situation. Well, I am over the situation. It's just about the internet, how the way they're gonna take it. You know, because people online sometimes can be cruel and stuff. So, $349 for that E, boy. Stop playing with me. That's why I go over here. But yeah, people online can be kind of cruel. So, it's really all about that and how the way I feel about that, to be honest. But maybe I might turn the comments off for that video. I don't know. But I am like an open book when it comes to like my cars and stuff, or like whatever I do to my cars. But like, this kind of involves a bit of my personal life, so that's the reason why I haven't like really talked about it. But let's get this E85 real quick and we'll continue to talk about the G. Oh, people looking at me crazy. I got this headset on with my GoPro plus this do-rag. Like, boy, oh boy, let's get some E. I'm only throwing a dub up in here too, no cap. Cool. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. One thing about E, bro, you always gonna be at the gas pump, especially if you do like a lot of city driving. It's over with. You're gonna stay at the E pump at least twice a week. It's cheaper, but it runs out a lot faster, especially if you're doing pulls and, like I said, a lot of stopping and going and stuff like that. It just runs out pretty fast. It's one thing about E, man. Actually, let's throw dub 5 in there. Let's do a dub 5. See what that gives me. One thing about E, it smells so good. It smells real good. I love that smell. And I already love the smell of gasoline, so I love that E smell. No receipt. See where it get me. It was at a quarter tank before, so let's see where we at right now. Let's see. A little bit over half. All right. $25 go a long way. Always gotta put that hand sanitizer on, bro. Always gotta throw some hand sanitizer, bro. Every day. Always. Put my phone back on the charger. Cool. So, like I was saying, yeah, you know, people online is, you know, cruel. So that's the only reason why I haven't posted that video. But like I said, I might turn comments off. I actually posted. Oh, that's what I was saying. I wasn't saying that. I was saying that I am an open book with you guys when it comes to my cars. Like, I tell you guys how much I pay, if I'm either financing or if I own it, or whatever happens to these cars. I am an open book. I believe like that's how it should be, especially when you're doing content. Don't sugarcoat nothing, don't hide nothing. Be as upfront as possible. So I'm very upfront with you guys when it comes to the cars. But with the G, it kind of revolves around my personal life, which I kind of keep my personal life Actually, I do. I keep my personal life off the internet just because I believe it just works better like that. Like, you know, I just don't want to be like too open when it comes to my personal life, but I'm very open when it comes to the cars. And that's what you guys here for. You guys don't care about my personal life anyway, but it does revolve a little bit of my personal life, so that's why I've been like a little skeptical of posting that video. But I might, you know, and if I do, hopefully you guys don't, you know, bash me for it. But anyways, yeah, I do miss the G. I think about it often. I definitely want to get another G for the channel eventually, hopefully, as we get bigger and, you know, YouTube starts to go crazy. One thing that I do want to do is get another G. I would like to get either a G37 Sport Coupe or a G37 IPO, of course, Coupe. I don't want another sedan, just because I already got the Q50 and I plan on keeping the G35 and, you know, the Q50. And I already had a G37, yeah, I already had a G37 sedan, so I don't want to double back and get a sedan. So I would like to get a coupe this time, so those would be like the two that I would want, or three actually: the G37S, G37 IPO, or the G37 XS all-wheel drive sport. Some I would want to get when I get another G37, because like I said, you know, the channel was really built off the G37. You guys know me for the G37, so, and I planned on keeping that car forever. It wasn't like oh, you know, I'm gonna let this car blow me up and I'm gonna go get me a Q50. No, it did not happen that way. You know, just some unexpected things happen, and, you know, it's just, you know, it is what it is. You know, you just gotta take life with a grain of salt at some time. So that was really it as far as, like, you know, the G37. But yeah, you know, I definitely want to get another one to build and to finish, you know, my idea just with a, you know, G37 in general. And yeah, give you guys some more G37 content. But right now, you know, we gonna be off the 35 and the Q50 content, which I don't believe I've been doing bad with that content. It's been pretty good so far. Let me slow my ass down, boy. The rollers be over here, the rollers. But the Toyota Camry, boy, don't play with me, bruh. Ah, dust your ass. Oh, okay, he ain't trying to race. He just vibing. I said, boy, boy. Actually, I want to try to see if I get another pool, but I want to see about the rollers real quick. The rollers be posted over here. Let's go. But yeah, I believe the Q50 content and the G35 been fire so far. Let me know in the comments if it was fire or not. But yeah, I definitely want to do some more G37 stuff. You know, it's only right. I gotta run it back, especially if I get bigger on a platform and YouTube start to pay for all the car content that's not coming out of my check. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it in. But it's not a day. It's not a day that goes by when I'm doing a video I don't think about the G37, because that's what put me on. And hopefully one day, if the channel gets big, you guys show your support and all that, we can run it back, do another G37 and all the other stuff. So It's definitely like would be like my wish list of what I would like to do. Is definitely add another G37 on the channel. But yeah, y'all, I really don't know what else to talk about. That was actually a good segment for this ride, for this POV drive. Like, I didn't have no objective. I just wanted to get outside and record, make some content, do a couple of pulls, and talk about something. Found a good topic to talk about. Talked about that G37. Talked about the G37, and yeah, it's been cool. So, let me know how you guys are liking the content so far. You know, I've been doing 3 days a week. This is my first time actually doing 3 days a week, you know, dropping like consistently. You know, first I was like, when I first got on the YouTube, I was doing 1 day, which was Friday, and then I started doing 2 days, which was Tuesday and Fridays, but now I'm doing Sunday, Tuesdays, and Fridays. So let me know how the content has been so far. And like I said, we got a lot more stuff on the way. I got a lot more stuff on the way. We're finna like literally go crazy, bro. So it's gonna be lit. I really can't wait for you guys to just see what I got cooking. So this is it for this video. I definitely appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for all your support, and I catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
They was praying that I fall off. Yeah, stood 10 toes, never fall, young. Finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena.